Hey, welcome to Future Tools Academy. If you're just stepping into the world of AI tech, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the beginner's blueprint to mastering AI technology. Let's dive right in. Segment 1. What is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's all about creating systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of it as teaching machines to think and learn just like us. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced data analysis, AI is everywhere. Segment 2. Why should you care? AI is not just a buzzword, it's transforming industry. Healthcare, finance, entertainment, you name it. By learning AI, you're not just staying up to date, you're future-proofing your career. Imagine being able to create applications that can predict trends, streamline processes, or even drive cars. The possibilities are endless. Segment 3, getting started. Now let's talk about how you can start. First off, get comfortable with the basics of coding. Python is a great language to begin with because it's simple and powerful. Websites like Codecademy and Coursera offer fantastic courses tailored for beginners. Next, dive into AI-specific resources. Books like Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking Humans by Melanie Mitchell are excellent starting points. Segment 4, hands-on practice. Theory is great, but practice makes perfect. Websites like Kaggle and GitHub have tons of data sets and projects you can tinker with. Start small, maybe a simple chatbot or a basic image recognition system. As you get more comfortable, gradually take on more complex projects. Wrapping up. And there you have it, the beginner's blueprint for mastering AI tech. Remember, the key is to stay curious and keep experimenting. The world of AI is constantly evolving and there's always something new to learn. So get out there and start your journey into the incredible world of AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired.